Well, hi, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. A quiet start to the morning for the majority of us after that round of snow yesterday. Most of us picking up the 1 to 3 inch range, but there were a couple of localized areas closer to 4 inches of snowfall. I'm going to be compiling a snowfall totals list here coming up later on this morning as I get more numbers in. Thankfully, the light, fluffy variety, and there wasn't a lot of wind. So while there are some slick conditions out there, not too many hazards, but be careful on the roads this morning, especially those less traveled roads with that are a little more snow packed out there this morning. As we take you through your day today, we are going to be looking at kind of a mix of clouds and sun today. I think the clouds will be thickest to the west and then eventually to the north as we go through the day. Meanwhile, in the Tri-Cities, I think we'll actually see most of our clouds in the morning and then a little more sun later today. Still cold today, but better than yesterday. But most of us will be below average across the area. Heading through tonight, then pretty quiet conditions, not quite as cold as this morning. And we'll see a mix of clouds and clear skies out there. In fact, maybe becoming mostly cloudy later in the night. We'll start off your Thursday mostly cloudy, then become partly sunny later in the day. Our warmest day of the week tomorrow, although some places are going to remain a little bit colder. I think we could be anywhere from the 20s in the northeast to as warm as the lower 50s in the southwest corner of the state. Here in the Tri-Cities, I'm now thinking somewhere in the 30s, probably mid 30s. I don't think it'll be quite as warm as previously anticipated, and I think the reason why is that snow on the ground holds us back a little bit for tomorrow. Now you see all that precipitation off towards the north. That's going to move southward Thursday night into Friday as we start to enter a wetter period of precipitation, decent chances of snow, maybe even initially a little sleet or freezing drizzle late Thursday night before changing over to snow and then lingering Friday night, and even into the day on Saturday. And that's also going to usher in some more cold air to the area. I'll talk about that in your 7-day forecast in just a bit. I don't know why I have my future snow product up here. There's no future snow in the next couple of days, so I'll take that and skip that. We'll move on to the next graphic here. Zone forecast for today, and that's your temperatures for today for highs. First up north, upper teens around Albion. Most other places low to mid 20s, although maybe closer to 30 in Ainsworth. A little warmer yet out west, around 30 or so around North Platte, McCook, mid 30s in Imperial. Upper 20s for Lexington, partly sunny skies. To the south, lower to mid 20s in the Tri-Cities area, mid to upper 20s in north central Kansas for highs. And to the east, temperatures will top out mostly in the 20s, low to mid 20s, although upper teens around Columbus. Well, here's a look at the next 3 days. Today, a little better than yesterday. Tomorrow, an improvement yet over today. And as we get into Friday, here comes that return of cold air. Now, again, initially for late Thursday night, up north Thursday evening, and then closer to the I-80 corridor and southwards, about the Tri-City southwards, Thursday later on in the night. Maybe initially a little sleet or freezing drizzle, possibly some snow, and then becoming all snow for Friday. That will continue for Friday night and Saturday. I think our best chance of snow comes overnight, Friday night, especially after midnight. And this is also where maybe a period of moderate snow will fall. Most of this is going to be light precipitation, but there could be some pockets of some slightly heavier precipitation, especially focusing on Friday night. Saturday, the snow lingers, but starts to clear out towards the end of the day, but a cold day for Saturday. Sunday and Monday are eerily similar to what we have in store for today and tomorrow. We're back into the 20s on Sunday, mostly sunny skies. Monday back into the 30s with mostly sunny skies, a little breezier. And then Tuesday, jury's still out on the chance of snow. I threw in a slight chance at this point here, and it's also kind of iffy on how cold or warm will be. I'm going with lower 30s for now. Some models are a little bit warmer, but others are hinting at another shot of colder air by Tuesday, so I'm kind of playing the middle ground for now. So there is your forecast. As again, we just can't get rid of this cold, and unfortunately we can't get rid of all the snow. Every time we try to melt off snow, a little more comes in. Guess it's good for those that like to go sledding or take the kids sledding, because there is some good sledding weather here in the coming days ahead. So there you go. There's your forecast for today. Until next time, I am meteorologist Travis Klineski. I hope you all have a great Wednesday, and God bless.